So you bought balut?
Yeah.
What? How to say? Balut or balot?
Balut.
Balut.
But
Balut.
in Kapampangan, they will say it balut. Like more strong say it.
Ah.
Balut in Manila. So,
It duck inside or
duck
chicken?
inside.
Duck?
Inside. Have duck inside.
Mhm.
So wait, need to...
You want eat right now balut?
Yes, I want to eat balut. Done.
Okay, show to me.
You want balut?
No, I never take video how you eat balut. That's why now I want take video.
But before we've been in walking street, I always eat balot. So need to open here in the top. So you need to find the like circle here, like more dark here, and then you need to open it so you can see the like soup here. Like water soup.
First you want to drink soup, yes?
So it's good.
Masarap?
Delicious.
Delicious. No, you open all.
No, not the same how. Not good if you open all.
Why?
Maybe have water inside.
You want drink water? Soup.
You want more?
No, I don't want.
So, need to put some vinegar.
It's vinegar.
Then, salt.
What?
Have.
It's okay. He don't want it.
It's not delicious. Masarap.
Three language.
The language.
How to say in Russian language?
Krishna.
Вкусно. In English?
Delicious.
Delicious. Tagalog.
Masarap.
China. Chinese. Хауче.
Ouch.
Yeah.
In Kapampangan, manyaman.
Manyaman.
Manyaman. Sing like mayaman.
Okay. But today very good weather. Not so hot. Don't have rain.
Hoishi. Japanese. Hoishi.
What? Japanese?
Hoishi.
Hoshi. Because your relatives from Japan.
Maybe it's hoishi. Yes, I know it's hoishi. Delicious. Like,
No, I don't know how to speak Japanese.
a little bit I know how to speak in Japanese. But I have book before.
What?
Book. B-O-O-K. Book.
Book? You read book before. And what? What kind of book? What you read? You read in Japanese language or what? Or it's dictionary?
Language.
But how you read Japanese language?
My auntie give us
Maybe it's dictionary, yes?
the dictionary.
Maybe.
No, like where you going, like this, like
Understand. So many local people with girls also walk here.